In this video, I'll show you how to export a specific area to PDF in AutoCAD using a simple and practical workflow. Start by opening the Output tab and selecting the Export option, then choose PDF from the available formats. In the Export settings, locate the Export or Plot Area drop-down and select Window. This option lets you manually define exactly which section of the drawing should appear in the final PDF. After clicking the Selection button, return to the drawing area and drag a rectangle around the portion you want to export. Be careful to include all required objects within the boundary, since anything outside the window will not appear in the PDF. Once the area is selected, choose a save location and give the file a clear name for easy access later. It's also a good idea to preview the export before saving, to make sure scale, line weights, and positioning look correct. This method is especially useful when sharing only a focused section of a larger project with clients or team members. Overall, exporting selected areas can make presentations cleaner and reduce unnecessary clutter in shared files. Subscribe for more honest, practical tech tutorials that help you work smarter and design more efficiently in AutoCAD.